Condux offers two different types of belts for the Gulfstream 300 quick change. Right now we have on the standard belts, but we also offer a fat belt for wet or lubricated cable. So I'm going to show you here how to change out your belts on your GS300 QC. Now the first thing what we're going to do to change these belts is we're going to remove our safety covers. So they come off with the quarter turn here, this butterfly wing nut. And we'll set those aside here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to get our hex key set so we can loosen our belt tensioner. So we go to our kit, we get our hex key set here, and we're going to come to the side over here, and we're going to loosen the belt tensioner block. This fasten on the side maybe 4 or 5 times till there's some resistance. And that loosens up our tensioner pulley. So we did that on the top, and now we're doing it on the bottom as well. Till there's some resistance. Now you can see our belt tensioner is loose. So what we're going to do here is we're going to push in and we're going to turn the keyway so that we can remove the cover flange. So we're going to push in and we're going to turn the keyway until we can remove that cover flange. We'll set that aside. Again, we'll do the same thing for the other one. And push in and turn so we can remove that cover flange. So now that we have the top 2 covers off, we're going to do that on the bottom. So we're going to push in and turn. Move that cover flange. Last one. Push in and turn. Line it up and remove that cover flange. Okay, so now that our cover flanges are removed, we can remove our standard belts here. So we can just slide our top belt off, slide our bottom belt off. Now you can see the comparison between our standard and our fat belt. Our fat belt is thicker to offer more surface contact, more squish, or more grip basically around that lubricated or wet cable. So that will reduce or minimize any slippage that could occur. Now that we have our standard belts off, we're going to take our fat belt and we're going to slide one on the bottom. And we'll take our other one, slide it in on the top. So with our fat belts in place, now we can replace our cover plates. Now you want to put the beveled edge in first. You line up the keyway with the holes here and push in, turn it and pop it back out and lock it in place. So same with the rest of them, with the beveled edge inward, line up the keyway. We're going to do that on the bottom as well. All right, so now that we have our fat belts on and our covers locked in place, we've got our, we go to our kit, we get our hex key set, and we can go and tighten up that tensioner. Now, you just want to get it snug tight. Don't over tighten it. It'll put unnecessary radial load on your motor, which will affect your blower performance. So let's get it nice till it's sucked in. Now I'll do the same on the bottom. So you can see that the belts are, have been tightened up. And lastly, we can put our cover guards in place. So I'll take our bottom cover guard here, and with our quarter turn, we secure this in place. Top cover guard, quarter turn, it's secure it in place. And that's belt change with the GS300 QC.